Hey everyone, Sunday again. Back in the unit. Today we got some parts put on for the truck. I'm going to start with fuel injectors. Was going to have mine cleaned, but looking at them and I popped one out. I don't think they'd get, I don't think they would actually come clean or flow test right. So I picked up a set. They're super cheap, but these are just to get it, hopefully started, idle, and then once, I go through everything, I will pick up a brand new set of AC Delcos, pop them in. They're super easy, so that's what we're doing. I already got the little clips up my injectors. I was gonna buy the tool, the disconnect tool for this, so I do this out of the truck, but Friday I forgot to buy it. Had a bunch of shit going on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pop them on right here. As you can see, oh yep, that's not gonna do us any good. But I mean, look at it, there's just shit all in these things. So I wasn't gonna risk it. I don't think they'll come clean, so I'm gonna pop all these out. I'll pick up the camera when I get them all in, plugged in, and bolted to the head. Well, everyone, I've done a shit job of filming. Because the last couple of days, getting everything back together, I put the torque converter bolts in the 3. They made the flywheel of the torque converter. They're hitting on the balance shaft cover. So last night, engine came out, fixed that, engine back in, and it's all together. No missing bolts, no missing screws, no missing nuts. I have to put the drive belt on real quick. That takes 30 seconds. Batteries in. Hooked the grounds up on the bottom of the block. I have lights. Everything was working. So we're going to push the truck out of the storage unit and start it outside the storage unit, just in case there's smoke or fire or whatever. So, short video today, guys. Hopefully it's a good one. I'm going to put the belt on quick, and when I pick up the camera next, the truck's gonna be outside and we're gonna film the start. Well, attempt to start. All right, everyone, we are outside, and you want to hold this right there with your eyes, not the camera. Keep an eye on this right here. I don't think it's gonna pop off, but just in case. Take video here.
Ready?
Alright, so now we figure out why it's not starting. So we'll pick this up when I figure out what's going on. Sprayed some starting fluid in it. Huh. Well, I didn't get it on camera, which kind of bums me out, but remember in the last clip, it wouldn't start. ignition fuse. You guys ready for this? Mm-hmm. First startup on camera. Five-year-old gas mixed with a little bit of 91 that the wife went and got me. And it runs. It's throwing one code for let's go back. It's throwing a fuel pump control module code, but it runs. I mean, I miss that so much. It runs. 5 years. Took me less than 2 months of occasional Sunday nights putting it all back together. I'm going to cut this video so I can get it up. This is going to be a shit video. Sorry, guys. But once we start buttoning up all the small things that need to be buttoned up, we'll catch you guys in the next one.